Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. Today we're doing a head-to-head comparison between two popular print-on-demand platforms, Printyfy and Amazon Merch. Both are great options for anyone looking to start a print-on-demand business, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. We've tried both ourselves, so let's dive into the key features, pricing, user-friendliness, and wrap up with a quick conclusion to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Key features. Let's start with Printyfy. One of the biggest advantages of Printyfy is its wide selection of products. They offer everything from t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs to more unique items like phone cases, shoes, and even home decor. They work with a global network of print providers, which means you can offer products from different regions, making it easier to ship internationally. Now, Amazon Merch, on the other hand, is a much simpler platform. It's focused primarily on apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and some other clothing options. Amazon Merch offers the advantage of integration with Amazon's massive marketplace, which gives your products built-in visibility. You don't need to set up your own online store, and Amazon takes care of all the fulfillment, printing, and shipping, which is pretty hands-off for sellers. Pricing. When it comes to pricing, Printyfy offers a free plan, which gives you access to all their features, but you'll have to pay for each product you sell. They also offer a premium plan, which costs around $29 per month. This plan gives you access to discounts on products, making it more cost-effective as your business grows. Amazon Merch, on the other hand, is completely free to use. You don't pay any upfront costs and there's no subscription fee. However, Amazon takes a cut of each sale, which is how they make money. The pricing depends on the product, but the margins are usually lower compared to Printyfy, especially when you consider the fees Amazon charges for using their platform. User-friendliness. In terms of user-friendliness, Printyfy has a bit more of a learning curve. While the platform is straightforward, navigating all the different product options, print providers, and integrations with your e-commerce store can take some time to get used to. But once you've got the hang of it, the process is fairly smooth. Amazon Merch, however, is simpler and more streamlined. You just upload your designs, choose your product, and Amazon handles everything from there. The setup is faster and you don't have to worry about managing fulfillment or customer service. But because it's tied to Amazon, you don't have as much control over your branding or customer experience. Conclusion. So, which platform should you choose? If you're just getting started and want a super easy, hands-off approach, Amazon Merch is a great choice. It's free to use, and the integration with Amazon gives you immediate access to their customer base. The downside is that the margins are a bit lower, and you have limited control over your products and branding. On the other hand, if you're looking for a broader selection of products, want more control over your branding, and are willing to pay a subscription fee for more flexibility and higher profit margins, Printyfy could be the better option. It offers a wider range of products, and you can integrate with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, giving you more control over your store. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities. If you want ease of use and access to Amazon's marketplace, go with Amazon Merch. But if you want more variety and flexibility, Printyfy is a solid choice. That's our comparison of Printyfy versus Amazon Merch. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more comparisons and reviews on e-commerce tools, make sure to subscribe to Gigabits for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.